welcome to my channel. Hello explorers, happy early Christmas and New Year.
And today
We're gonna make craft. First is Christmas craft.
yes.
Yay!
So today we are going to have Zoom
With my teacher.
with Miss Kat's teacher, and it's going to be crafting for Christmas.
Yes, and I will show you the stuff.
Okay.
So first, we need a sketchbook. I just draw it. We need uncommon paper, any size you want. We got box glue and double tape. We need also paints, but anything. We need markers, board markers. We need a marker, white marker pen, which is shake. And the last one, the second one, scissor. Last one, you need this one.
That is patterns.
Yes, you need to print this actually. Any you want. How many you want? You're just going to do one. Just one today.
Okay.
I have two, but one.
Okay. Okay, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned and you'll see my teacher's face.
Huh?
Are you ready?
Okay, so here is my teacher.
Everyone!
This is Miss Upik. I had so many teachers, but this time the first room is Miss Upik.
Hey, so today what are we going to do? First, we are going to make
A Christmas craft. So first we're gonna do this one. Like both, we're gonna do one. Like I said before.
to cut this one.
Yes. You need to cut this. I think there's two for me. I have two.
I also have to. I already cut the other one.
Okay, so
Let's cut it.
let's cut it. Oh yeah.
Careful.
Make sure you try to do this as neatly as you can. I don't do that neatly.
This picture to trace on the origami paper. Okay?
It's okay if you just want to like color it. It's okay. It's your choice. Because we just use the American paper just to make it more neater. I want to do two.
Be careful.
So we're done. If you're done too, then wow, if you're already done, then wow, you're so fast. I think we're supposed to glue this together, maybe.
So actually we are going to use one, but it's okay.
If you want to glue this together, then go ahead.
Yeah, that will be okay. You want,
I actually want to glue this together.
you want to stick it together?
Yes.
Like that.
I'll just use like, I don't want to use like fox glue because it's like wet. But I'm gonna use double tape.
Going to use.
I'll try to use double tape.
Okay then.
Hold on a second because I'm not done yet.
Okay.
What are you using actually?
Double tape to stick it. The same thing.
Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is hiding in your bag. He's waiting for you. I love Santa. Just wait in his chimney. He will slide down. It's Santa Claus. Santa Claus is coming.
Oh, your voice.
I never sing. I love to sing. Because you are hiding in his bag. You were standing and you wait. Santa, will you came out to see me? I will sing hero. Okay, this.
Yay! Carefully.
I didn't stick the edge. What I am doing.
In
You
English,
need
never
be
say-
perfect because you just need some practice. Who likes to sing and sing along?
And it's time to stick it. So next, what are we going to do? Can you guess?
We're going to decorate it.
We are going to use the origami. Which color do you want to use? I already picked one and it's yellow. Look,
What are you next? What about you?
I'm going to use, how about,
I have a great idea. We can make 2 colors. We can make 2 colors. We can make green and red. Okay, so if you want to do the same like green and red for Christmas, then yeah, go ahead. If you wanna
so you want to make 2 colors?
yeah, I want green and red.
Okay. Is it okay? Because we are going to use only, one side. Because we are going to hang it like this. So we are going to use one
I
side.
supposed to glue it, I think. Supposed to glue it or?
First, okay, you need to pay attention.
Yes.
Okay, we need to first trace it, okay?
Yes.
After you trace it, and then you cut it and become like this.
Okay, so like this, you guys.
Good job.
Line.
Now, next, let's cut it. Okay?
So I think if you don't know how to cut, then you can just like ask your parents to cut. I should say that the other part of these.
Okay, but we need to learn cutting papers, right?
Yes.
Try your best to cut the paper. It's okay if it's not neat.
I used only this. I don't do this, but I used to.
Okay, then that's okay. Let's cut it.
Yeah, let's go. Careful, okay?
Careful.
Okay, so next you are going to need your scissor to cut a little hole. Make sure not too big.
Yeah.
Not like here. Not all of it. No.
No.
Little Santa.
Have you ever seen Santa Claus in Indonesia?
What?
Have you ever seen Santa Claus in Indonesia? Because you said no.
No.
I see.
Then you have to color it, okay, you guys?
You need to fill it with the white marker. Look, it looks like the real life box. Wow.
Yeah, but it's actually fake.
It's actually papers. It's so beautiful. I like it. This was hard. We don't need the. Can you please clean up the double tape, the box glue? Okay. Are you going to draw Christmas tree? Draw, what is it?
Yes, maybe Christmas tree. Do I have to take a paper?
Okay, I'm going to use this paper. So I'm going
we do, and I do need to take a paper again.
when you open it, I'm going to draw your face.
What? Face?
Yes.
Not my face, please, not my face.
The Christmas card is for you.
And me? You should do it a secret, not telling. No. Now you ruined the surprise.
You didn't hear it, okay? You don't have any idea, okay? Right?
Okay. My Christmas card. Can we fold it, please?
That, of course, like this. And I'm going to cut this side because there are holes.
Wait, remember, we're supposed to chat. We can talk. What?
But you say first. You call first.
Okay. Merry Christmas, then.
Christmas.
Okay, now I'm decorating. Now I draw her bones. I'm gonna write. Wow!
This is for you. Let's show it in 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, keep it close.
Mine says to Daddy. Merry Christmas, Miss Cat. Yay! Let's show it inside. Mine says to me from Miss Cat.
The drawing. And that is, can I see the inside?
Mine's from Miss Cat.
Ah!
Ah! Look! Just put it there. It's a reindeer. I'm a reindeer. I'm a reindeer.
Wow!
Look from that, and the back is, and the front just says, "Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Okay.
Have a good Merry Christmas." That's all.
Wow, that's great. Let's take a picture together with the card.
Okay.
Closer.
We're gonna take a picture, okay, you guys?
No, it's flying. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys, I think we're going to end this video here. I hope you like this crafting. It's silly, but I hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe and like and ring the bell. Ding ding.
Okay, but if you want to make a Christmas card, you can make it with us. And also the light bulbs.
Yes, and I will see you next.
And the next video.
In the next, see you with Miss Koma.
You with Miss Koma.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.